Yes, sir, done.
Okay, yeah, so great. So, do you have any queries about subscription of Azure free trial, guys? If anyone has any queries, feel free and ask me now itself. Rajesh, Manoj, I hope you have subscribed for Azure free trial, right? Someone has confirmed. Who is that?
Ranjit is confirmed, sir.
Okay, Rajit. Okay. What is the amount did you get? I mean, free credits, 15,800 only, right? Or 400?
15,800.
15,800. Okay. So the amount drastically is getting increased, guys, for every 6 months, based on dollar value in the market. Okay. So initially, Microsoft used to provide 13,300. Next 14,400. Next they increase it to 14,800. Next 15,400. Now 15,800. In demo also I said 15,800. Okay, the value will get vary. That is depends on rupee count and all. Okay, I mean rupee in the market of international. Okay, yeah. Anyone else has any queries on subscription of Azure free trial? Could you please let me know?
Hello.
Yeah. I hope, can I take it as no? No one has any queries about subscription of Azure free trial? Okay, again, I'm asking you, please do not ask these subscription related questions going forward. Okay, why? Because I could see many people, they will subscribe for Azure free trial after 10 sessions are over. Then they will come up with some questions. Okay, yeah, whoever has not yet subscribed for Azure free trial, do it today itself. Still, if you have any queries, you can feel free and ask me in tomorrow's session. What is that? Tomorrow's session. Yeah, great. See, this is the Azure portal. What is the URL name? Portal.azure.com. This is the global URL. What is that? Portal.azure.com. Hit enter. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the Azure portal. Now, if people tell me, guys, what is the Azure?
Azure is a set of means as a cloud services regarding. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, Azure is a set of a cloud services that will be the enable and deploy of the services.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, correct. Simply, we can say Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services for where we can deploy, manage, and access the applications through global network data centers. What is that? Through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. Repeating, what is the Azure? Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the applications through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. Okay, guys. Yeah. See, this is the Azure. Now, subscription. What is the subscription?
Subscription is a light of the at the license basically. So we can provide the access. Yeah, anything we can check on the servers.
Yes. Simply, we can say subscription is nothing but collection of, what is that? Resource groups. In other words, we can say, okay, our best example, we can say, what is the subscription? Subscription is nothing but license. Okay, subscription is nothing but license. So one organization can have n number of subscriptions. Got it, guys? I'm repeating. One organization may have n number of, what is that, subscription. Clear? I'm repeating. One organization may have n number of subscriptions. There are different types of subscriptions. Okay, one is free trial, just we have followed. Next one is pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. Okay, third one is what? Come on, enterprise. Okay, yeah, enterprise. Next, fourth one, Visual Studio Enterprise. Visual Studio Enterprise. I can say Visual Studio Premium. Okay, next, Visual Studio Developer. So seventh one, MSDN, like that. We have n number of subscriptions. Okay, yeah. So in other words, I can say, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Please remember, this is the hierarchy. What is that? What is the subscription? Collection of, note it down, resource groups. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Note it down. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, what is the resource group? Note it down. A resource group is a container. Is a container which holds the resources. Which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, for Azure project solution. Assume that there is a one project, guys. To fulfill the project requirement, what are the infrastructures are required? Can anyone tell me? Real-time professionals. In IT, assume that we have to fulfill the Java project deployment. To deploy one Java project, what are the things are required from infrastructure end? Anyone?
Dedicated server.
Very good, wonderful. One server.
VPC network.
Okay, next.
And prerequisites. Required
Yes.
RAM memory
Yeah.
and
Yeah, simply we can say to deploy one Java application, what all things are required? We need virtual machines, networking. Next, whether we have to decide whether it is private network or public network. If required, we have to apply the load balancer. Okay. Next, distribute the content into across the globe or within the country. Got it. Next, also we required storage. If the application is communicating to database, again we require database servers. Okay, all together we can call it as group. Yes or no, guys? Okay, if we want fulfill the one Java project requirement, we need server, storage, network, database, load balancer, routers, switches. All together we will call it as what? Group of the resources. Am I right, guys? I am pulling the information from you only. Yes or no?
Can you repeat once again?
Yeah. So server, storage, network, database, load balancer, switches, routers, all together we will call it as what? Group of resources. Am I right? Yes or no?
डाल लगे ही बेरा
Okay. Yeah. Here we will call it as what? A resource group. I hope you got it. I am repeating. What is the resource group? Here I am telling. What is that? Is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Resources for Azure project solution means, for example, there is a one .NET project. We require .NET related server, storage, network, database, load balancer, and switches, routers, cables. That all together we will call it as collection of resources. Same way here I am defining what is that. Subscription is nothing but collection of resource group. Under that we have collection of resources. So what is the resource group? Exact definition is it is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, yeah. Next, all resources under resource group are billable. Okay, assume that you and me both are working in TCS organization. Assume that you are working in Java project, I am working in .NET project, someone working for SAP project. Yes or no? So I am the .NET project. .NET related server, storage, network, database, all together. I will group it together and make it as one group. So you people are grouping some of the resources like Java related server, storage, network, database under. Now for .NET project, I got billing per month is 2000. For Java project, you got 2500. Yes or no, guys? Got it. So finally, how much amount should I pay? Come on.
2000.
4500 total Java plus .NET. So Java and .NET projects underlaying of one subscription. Do you agree? Yes or no? Okay. So each and every project for tracking purpose, we will create it as a group that we will call it as resource group. The name itself, it is describing that resource group, collection of resources. We are grouping one name with one name. Okay, so for tracking purpose, Java project assume that they got billing like 10,000 this month, next month 12,000. So the customer can question you why we got this much billing for this month. If there are any additional services or resources are running, you should provide the justification. Clear? For .NET project, I am getting like $10,000 per month. All of a sudden, it got increased $15,000. Then a customer will question architect and project manager why we got this much billing. To segregate the billing, Microsoft provided this feature, this hierarchy. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. If you know this hierarchy, that is the Microsoft Azure, nothing else. So again, remember, what is the subscription? Collection of, come on, resource group, RG. RG in the sense, resource group. Okay, please remember this architecture. If you remember this architecture, that is the Microsoft Azure. Okay, assume that this is the HR resource group. This is the sales resource group. This is the marketing resource group. So HR related server, storage, network, database, and load balancer, all these services I will deploy under HR resource group. And the sales related server, storage, network, database, all together I will deploy under sales resource group. Coming to the marketing related server, storage, network, database, and load balancer, I will deploy under marketing resource group. Assume that HR project $1,000 I got it. Okay, sales project $2,000, marketing project $3,000. So finally, for this organization, how much amount should I pay? $6,000. This is the how project calculation will happen in especially in Azure, guys. Got it? Okay, yeah. Already we have created the subscription. That is the free trial. Now go to home. This is the subscription name. I am using Visual Studio Enterprise. This is the license, guys. For me, it is the license. What is that? Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. Okay, underlying that, I am going to create one resource group. Okay, now navigate to resource group. Look at my screen. As of now, I do not have any resource groups. As of now, I do not have any resource group. Try to create new resource group. Okay, see, it is giving some definition. Let me copy and paste it here. This is the interview question. You people have to remember, guys. See, what is the resource group? What it is saying? It's a container that holds, what is that? Related resources for Azure project solution. Okay, the resource group can include all the resources for your project solution, guys. Okay, and only the resources, what are the resources would you like to perform, or would you like to provision the resources? Everything we should create under one resource group for tracking purpose. Okay, yeah, see, here it is giving the direct hierarchy. What is the subscription? Come on, collection of resource group.
Resource groups. So
Okay, yeah.
I didn't understand Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. What?
They are related to subscriptions, guys. Going forward, I will let you know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Here I am giving .NET -RG. This is the resource group name. Okay. Location. Here, region in the sense, what is the region?
Where we want to
Geographical
keep
location. What is that? Geographical location called region. Okay. Assume that I have more customers in India. I will go and deploy my all the services or project into where? South India. Why? Because I have more customers in South India. So my application I should bring closer to customer. So that case, my application services I will deploy nearest to South Indian people. Clear? For example, I have more customers in Pune. So I can go for what? Central India. Okay, Central India. That is up to you. Or else I have more customers in East US. See, I have more customers in East US. So I will go and deploy my services into East US region. Okay, I mean East US data centers. Okay, as I said, in India so far we have 3 data centers. What are they? One is Pune, second one is Mumbai, third one is what? Come on, I said right.
Hyderabad, Chennai.
Chennai. Hyderabad data center is not yet ready. That will be available by 2025, guys. Official date has Microsoft provided. If work is done earlier, maximum last quarter of 2024. Okay, but it will be available for public by 2025 on official information from Microsoft. That is the very biggest data centers in Asian countries, guys. Okay, they have implementing this near Shadnagar. Okay, yeah, next.
One small doubt.
Now go to tags. What is the tags? Sorry,
Sir,
tags in a sense, you know, right? For example, if you go for any shopping mall, okay, if you take any shirt and pant, there would be a one tag. The tag which contain which information?
Brand actually, the which
Yeah,
brand?
brand. Yeah, that is okay. What else? We can see size, and we
Size
can see
of the
manufacturing information. Next, price of the product, that we will call it as tag. Here also we should provide information about what your resources or project. Simply I can say what is this project, who is the client, who is the owner of this project. That all details here we can provide. That we will call it as tag. Simply we can say tags are name value pairs. Note it down. Tags are name value pair which will give the information about resource, which will give the info about resource. Clear? Every service in Azure, every
No.
service in Azure has tags feature. Okay, each and every service in Azure has tags feature. So to deploy any service in Azure, we have to provide tags information. Tags. Okay, what is the tag? It's a name pair values. It will give the information about resource. For example, if I ask you a question like introduce about yourself, what you will say? Like your name, current project details, previous work experience, and your address details, and education details, etc., etc. Same way, here tags in the sense give the information about resource. Now, here I am giving project. What is this project, guys? .NET. Okay. J is not prompting. Yeah. Next, client. Who is the client? PwC I am giving. PricewaterhouseCoopers. Next, what else? Environment. You are building the server storage network for production or stage environment or dev environment. I am giving production. Okay. Email ID of owner. What is the email ID? I can say mike@pwc.com, pricewaterhousecoopers.com. So if we have any queries and all, directly they can contact and send out an email to this email ID. Okay, now just hit on review plus create it. See guys, before deploying this resource group, see it is giving entire information. What is the subscription, guys? Again, I am asking. Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources.
Resource
And
group
Sir, is it a name or just a name, or it contains any billing for the
just it is the name.
for subscription name? Visual Studio
Yes.
Enterprise subscription is a name. Okay.
Visual Studio Enterprise subscription, that is the subscription name.
Subscription name. Okay.
Yeah, for you people, you will get free trial. Got it? I think Rajit, you have created the subscription, right? You should get free trial only. Am I right?
Yes, sir. I have free trial.
Yes, free trial. Mine is license. For me, it is the paid version, guys. Okay. Yeah. So I have purchased this subscription. I can go ahead and deploy any type of virtual machines, any size of virtual machines. Got it? Yeah.
Pay as you go.
Yeah. Pay as you go also. That is
Yours
for
is pay as you go model or
who?
your subscription.
No. My subscription is enterprise edition. This is high level of pay as you go model. Next level of pay as you go model subscription.
Okay.
For example, in free trial, you would like to create one virtual machine with a 200 GB RAM. You will not able to create it. With pay as you go model, you can go ahead and create. Okay, with my subscription, I can go ahead with what? 200 CPUs. Okay, what is that? 200 CPUs and 256 GB RAM also, virtual machine also, I can create it, guys.
How much does this one cost?
I will let you know. Coming to the cost, for every service, cost would be vary. I will let you know.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, next. Now, here project, these are the tags directly it is providing. Tags, project name, and the client name, environment, production. That is, what is that? Email ID. Now, just click on create it. See, based on the details that you have provided, okay, subscription is creating. See, resource group. So this is the resource group. It has created under this subscription. Location east to west. Just click on this resource group. See guys, this is the resource. Okay, yeah, see, this is the subscription, add subscription ID and the location. These are the tags. See guys, if you look at these tags, can we easily understand what is the project name, who is the client, what is the environment we are working on it, who is the contact person of this project? That all we'll come to know that, right? Yeah. So that is the advantage of the tags feature. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Yeah. So this is about resource group. Now again I am repeating, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources.
Resources.
Yeah. So in real time, see guys, you may have access for .NET resource group. Some ABC guy can have another resource group. Some XYZ people or administrator can have access on different resource group. In real time, you are not going to have this permission to access all the resource group that were deployed under one subscription. You may have to work on one or two resource groups. That's it. For example, there is one project called SAP. Okay, SAP project is running. SAP related server, storage, network, database, all other service deployment and provisioning management that you have to take care as you are Azure administrator. Assume that I am the Azure administrator. I have allocated for .NET related project. So .NET related server, storage, network, database, load balancer, some other service deployment, provisioning, support, that all I should provide for .NET related projects. Okay, that is how you will get the roles and responsibilities in real time. Okay. Yeah, great. See, I have subscription, I have resource group. Now I would like to create what? One resource. Please remember, in Azure, everything we will call it as resource. Got it? Everything we will call it as resource or service, guys. Okay. Yeah, most useful technical word is resource. Okay. Yeah, in real time, in IT industry, people are used to say frequently, resources are busy. Resources are not available this project. Okay, we have to hire new resources from externally. People used to say these words. What does it mean? We are the resources. We have to work. Am I right? When you are coming to the cloud, virtual machine, server, storage, network, these are the resources. We have to provision them as per business requirement. Got it. Yeah. Now have a look. This is the virtual machine. Now navigate to virtual machine. See, this is the VM. Okay. Yeah. Now here you can go ahead and create the virtual machine with Windows OS. Other one is what? Linux OS. Now people tell me, guys, what is the virtual machine? Silly question. What is the virtual machine? The word itself, it is saying virtual machine. Virtual machine.
OS on OS.
What does it mean? What is the virtual? Now our life also become as a virtual, right? Do you agree or not? What is the virtual?
Virtual means as per the means we can access from the anywhere only. We can
Not physically, sir. Not physically.
Wonderful. That
not
is the word I am
means
expecting.
virtual means online through the we can access. So
Yeah. So people used to say virtual meeting. What does that mean? These are all the technical
virtual
IT
meeting means
words,
we
right?
can access from the anywhere. We can join the meetings from
Now we
anywhere.
have
So
connected via WhatsApp meeting.
Yes, exactly. What does that mean? Physically you are in somewhere, but virtually you are appearing for the meeting calls. Am I right? So virtual machine in the sense, the machine would be physically deployed somewhere and you can access it virtually from anywhere in the world. Is called virtual machine. Okay, physically deployed in the sense where it gets deployed.
in office, yeah, in home, yeah, in corporate office.
No,
In
data
Azure
center.
Data centers.
Yeah, it is in data centers. Okay, so what is the virtual machine? Virtually accessible from anywhere in the world and physically deployed in this data center is called virtual machine. Okay, fine. Now, there are two types of operating systems in the market to provision the VM. Am I right? So, with Windows, other one is what?
Linux.
Okay, in Windows, again, we have client side OS Other one is what? Server side OS. Okay, what are the client side OS are there in the market? Windows 11, Windows 10. Next, Windows 8. Okay, anyhow, now latest version in the market is Windows 11 and Windows 10. Got it? Okay, so we have Windows XP. Yes or no? Okay, Windows 7. Okay, Windows 10, Windows 11. These are the client operating system that we will use it for our home purpose. How to check Windows version, guys? Anyone? How to check Windows version? WinPer. What is the shortcut? Just go to command prompt, type WinPer. What is the operating system? Currently, I am using it for my laptop. Windows 11. Okay, yeah. So these are the client operating systems. What are the server side operating systems? What are the different versions of there in the market? Windows Server
Windows Server
2008, it has been deprecated. 2012, it is also going to be deprecated. Okay, now 2016, 2019, what is the latest version?
21 now.
2022. So forget about these two. There is no in the market. Already Microsoft stopped the support, giving the support for Windows Server 2008 and 2012. Okay, these are the three latest versions are there in the market. Okay, coming to the Linux, there are different flavors of Linux in the market. What are they? Ubuntu,
Ubuntu OS and
CentOS,
CentOS,
Red Hat.
Red Hat.
Red
Do
Hat
you know
and
who is Red Hat is related to which organization, guys? Whose
Oracle.
product it is? Sorry.
IBM, sir.
Yes, it's an IBM product.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Next, also we have Oracle Linux. Okay, we have what? Again, Debian. Okay, also there is another OS. Even Microsoft also they are going to launch. We can say Azure Linux or Mariner. Okay, so one of the OS name could be confirmed, but not now. It will take some time. Okay, not officially very given any information. Now at this moment we have CentOS, Ubuntu, okay, and Red Hat, Oracle. Another very popular in the market is SUSE. What is that? SUSE operating system. So at this moment, these two are very popular in the market, guys. Okay, all SAP missions, SAP company is there, right? As total SAP company, they are using SUSE operating system, guys. Okay, and Red Hat, very powerful. They are licensed. Okay, they are licensed. These two are licensed, you have to purchase it. Fine. Now have a look, navigate to a virtual machine, go ahead and create one VM. Okay, again I am repeating, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. See guys, they are giving hierarchy. Now select it. So here I am going to create one resource. What is the resource name? Anyone?
.NET.
Virtual machine name. Yeah.
Yeah, virtual machine. Here resource is virtual machine. Okay, yeah, virtual machine name I am giving web-server 01. This is the web server. Or else you can mention db-server 01. Or you can mention application server 1. The name can be anything, guys. Okay, I used to provide web-server 01. Okay, now scroll down. Okay, scroll down. So location east US. Now there is an interview question. Resource group I have created in East US. Should I deploy all the resources under East US, or I can also deploy some services in Central India or South India?
Only
No,
East
East West only. East West only.
Only, no? We can create that.
No, guys. Resource
Everywhere.
group can be any region. Resources can be any other regions. There is no strict policy under resource group. We should have all the resources under same region. Resources could be in different region. Resource group can be in different region. Clear? Yeah, for our reference, what I will choose? No, I will choose East US 2. Okay. Yeah. Next, see here availability option. Infrastructure redundancy. Redundancy in the sense, what does it mean? I think the word we are hearing from while you are start reading computer related courses. Either it is BTech or MCA, people will say data redundancy, infrastructure redundancy. What does it mean? Redundancy in the sense,
Backup.
make it,
Backup. Backup. Or
Reusability, sir.
yeah, make it high availability. Correct. Okay, make it high availability. Data redundancy in the sense, make it your data high available. Okay, the data should be accessible 24/7 if any unexpected events occurred. Clear? So here infrastructure redundancy means if someone deleted this VM, then whatever the application you deployed underlying that, then that also required downtime. Am I right? If application requires downtime, again it is the big crime in IT industry. Sir, no. Okay, yeah, next here infrastructure redundancy means your virtual machine will be deployed in different data centers if one data center is down due to some unexpected event occurred, or power outage, or network outage, or network glitch, or internet outage. Due to that, if your VM is unable to access, another data center is there to access the resources or to provide the service to customers for 24/7. Okay, you know, right? Yesterday, Hotstar, our cricket final match has viewed around 5 crores 90 lakhs people. That is the recorded media streaming happened yesterday. Got it? Yeah. Now, so what does that mean? Due to heavy load at any cost, your application should be in live. Okay. Now have a look. Here I am no infrastructure redundancy. I do not want to make any infrastructure redundancy at this moment. I will let you know how to make your virtual machines for high available later on. Okay, next image. See, as he said, we have Ubuntu, CentOS, SUSE, Red Hat, Oracle Linux, and Windows Server 2022, and Windows Server 19 and 16. Okay, also we have Windows 10 and Windows 11. Clear? I am going to choose Windows Server 2022 data center Azure edition. This is the one operating system, guys. Okay, see, this is the size. I am taking size of this VM is what? 2 CPUs, 8 GB memory. Total cost is what? 5,503 rupees. Okay, if you use this server, this total amount would be debited from your free credits. If I go and click on this bell mark, or we will call it as notifications. See, I have remaining amount is what? 10,507 rupees. If same virtual machine, I can use it for 1 month. So the 5,000 rupees amount would be debited from this account or this free credits.
suppose if we created for 10 minutes and we deleted this resource, in that case,
Yeah, hourly basis. For example, this system you have used it for 1 hour and deleted, then they will charge for 1 hour. Let me calculate it. So what is that? 5,503 rupees by 30 days. This is 1 day cost, 183 rupees by 24 hours. 1 hour cost is 7 rupees, guys. 8 rupees around. Okay, so you have consumed this server for 1 hour and terminated or stopped, 8 rupees would be debited from what is that? This amount. That's why they have provided 15,800 free credits, right? So the amount would be debited based on your usage. Your usage means you have created 2 virtual machines, 2 into 100 rupees per hour, per day, they will debited 200 rupees. You have created one database server. Database server cost, assume that per hour is 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees would be debited from your free credits. If we create AKS service per day cost is 5,000. So 5,000 rupees would be debited, then remaining amount would be appear in this, what is that? Notification symbol, or we will call it as bell mark. Got it? Clear? Yeah. Next. See, this is the virtual machine. This is the cloud. Okay. I am deploying one VM in the cloud. Now, this is my laptop. What is that? This is my laptop. Okay. To access this VM, what all things we have to provide, guys? Remotely to access this VM. Okay. What are the details should I pass? Anyone? We have to pass
IP address.
username
Username,
and
credentials.
password and IP address of this VM. Okay, for example, 10.10.10.10. Am I right? So here I need to pass user details. See, username cloud admin. Password, I am mentioning cloud admin. Here people can pass Azure admin or something SQL admin. If it is database server, you can access this VM with SQL admin credentials. Or else I want like a DB admin. The name can be anything. Okay, that should be that you have to pass those details here. Okay, so generic name I am providing cloud admin. Okay, yeah, password can be anything, but that should be 8 characters. Okay, now I am using SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay, I use this word password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint is the one technology from Microsoft, guys. So I am mentioning that product name at the rate of 12345. You can mention Azure at 12345, welcome at 12345, your name at the rate of 12345. Password can be anything. Okay, yeah, great. Next, another question is, this is the virtual machine, right? I have deployed in cloud. Now I would like to access what? From my local laptop or desktop. Okay, now to access this VM, we have to use one protocol that we will call it as RDP. What is that? RDP. What is the full form of the RDP? Come on.
Remote desktop port.
Remote desktop protocol. Yeah, very good. So what would be the port number, guys?
3389.
Very good. Wonderful. 3389. For example, I have deployed one Java application. To access it from outside, we have to use one protocol that we will call it as what? HTTP. Am I right? What is the port number for HTTP?
80.
80. Okay. If it is HTTPS.
443.
Yeah, 443. Clear? So the application, assume that you have deployed either it is Java, .NET, PHP, Python, any web-based application. If you want to access it from outside, so these are the ports are mandatory. Okay, for example, tcs.com. Okay, so if I copy and paste it here, what is the protocol it is using? HTTPS. Now, if people tell me this application is running on top of which port number?
443.
Yes, 443. Okay, yeah. Next, now see, I need to access this virtual machine with the protocol RDP. Next, if you want to deploy any application on top of this VM, enable HTTP or HTTPS. HTTPS, again the cost, you have to purchase the SSL certificate and implement. Okay, that we'll discuss it later. Clear? Yeah, next. This is about what? Basics. Next option, desk. What is the desk? What is the
Space.
desk?
Hard disk.
Hard disk
Yeah.
space.
Can I say storage? Technical word. Desk is nothing but storage.
Storage.
Okay. Desk is nothing but it is a storage entity. Again, technical word. Desk is nothing but storage entity where we can store personal or application data. Got it? So there are two types of desks in the market. What are they at this moment? HDD. Other one is what? SSD. Okay. HDD means hard disk drive. Okay. SSD means solid state drive.
Right.
You know, right? Nowadays we are getting the laptop with SSD disk. Yes or no? Got it? Nowadays we are getting the laptops with the SSD disks. Am I right? Did you purchase the laptop recently?
Yes.
Yeah. So it is gone from the market, guys. HDD disks usage is gone from the market. In next year, you can expect Ultra SSD. Ultra SSD. Like a versions, guys. Earlier we have TVs. Next LCD, LED. Okay, OLED. Again now 4K Ultra UHD. Like that, how the versions are defining, right? Background. Coming to our storage, we have HDD, SSD, Ultra SSD. Okay, yeah. So solid state drive in the sense the data can be accessed with high smooth and the performance is very good. Okay, next, if you install any operating system in SSD, 99% it won't get corrupted, guys. It won't get corrupted. Okay, and it is also cost. If there is a features are getting added, obviously cost get increased. That is known funda in the market. Okay, yeah. So this is about what? SSD. Now have a look. This is the operating system disk, 127 GB by default. Here we have premium SSD, standard SSD, and SSD. Okay, premium, standard SSD. See, read it out. It is giving some information. Best for production and performance sensitive workloads. If there are any production missions, you are going to deploy one application, release it for production and release it for market or release it for public, then we have to use premium SSD. That is the suggestion provided by Microsoft. Okay, as you said, there is a Ultra SSD, guys. Ultra SSD they are providing for premium customers. Okay, if we are expecting Ultra SSD, you can call to Microsoft team, change the subscription and all. For premium customers, they are providing Ultra SSD. Okay, I am using premium SSD. Right? Yeah, networking. So what is the networking? I said in demo session itself. There are two types of networks in the market. What are they? Generally,
Public and private, sir.
public and private. Okay, if you want to access this VM from anywhere in the world, then we have to use what?
Public.
Public. Okay, private in the sense you have to design your own virtual network and deploy this VM underlying that private network. Okay, that can be accessed within corporate network. That we will call it as private network, VPN, virtual private network. Okay, how do you want to deploy this VM? By default, Microsoft Azure, what is that? Azure, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud, they are, what is that? They are what? Public or private? Come on. Yeah, they
Both.
are public.
Okay.
By default, public. Okay, if you want create virtual network for your organization, then create your own private virtual network, deploy under that VPN. Okay, yeah, see, that's why the moment when you pass virtual machine details, inbuilt, it is choosing web server -vnet virtual network. It is creating one subnet, underlying that it is assigning one public IP. See, it is assigning one public IP.
So, Shekhar,
Yeah,
can you say a bit about virtual network, subnet, and public API? I'm not
yeah,
aware of networking.
yeah. So I will show you guys how to design our own private network. Okay, that is the big topic. I will show you that later. At this moment, just to remember, AWS, Google, Azure Cloud, by default, they are public. If you deploy any service in Azure, that can be accessible from outside. Got it?
Okay. Subnet and public IP.
Yeah, public IP. To access any virtual machine from anywhere, then we require public IP. For
Subnet,
example, see, tcs.com is there. This is the public or private site?
public.
Public. So it should contain one public IP. How to get IP of this tcs.com? ns lookup tcs.com. ns lookup tcs.com. See, this is the IP of tcs.com. Same way, ns lookup wipro.com. What is the IP? This is the IP. Now copy and paste it. Can I access Wipro site now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It will take us to wipro.com DNS. Then it can be accessible.
Is that IP constant or will change?
100% it is constant. Okay. For example, see, instead of 227, I will give you 226. Will I able to access Wipro site?
No.
No, simply it will throw an error. See, it is checking, is there any application with this IP or any IP is mapping to some other DNS name. It is checking, finally it is showing error. This cannot be reached. Okay.
What is subnet?
Under virtual network, we will create the subnets. Under subnet, IP should be assigned. See, I will drag the diagram. This is the VNet. Okay. So this is the subnet. This is the subnet 1, subnet 2. If I access tcs.com from outside, my request will go to this web server that was deployed under one subnet, which is required to communicate database. Then it will navigate to another database server that was deployed in different subnet and process your request. Response will back to the client. This is how request and response will happen in real time for you to access your application. Got it?
So a single network only is divided into half.
Yes, generally the every service should comes under one subnet. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? Yeah. See, this is about what? Virtual network. We have many things: management, monitoring, advanced tags, hit on review plus created and all. So it will take another 1 hour. Okay, so tomorrow I will finish it up how to create one VM, remaining by explaining these 3 tabs. Okay, then I will show you how to deploy one application on top of virtual machine. That we'll complete it in next session. I don't want to make you confusion in single day. Okay, so we'll go slowly one by one. Okay, yeah. Do you have any questions for today's session? Today, very important and basic, how to create the subscription, how to create the resource group, and how we are going to create resource. Okay, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Remember that hierarchy, okay, till you are there with Azure.
So without subscription, we can't create a resource.
Yeah, 100%. See, without subscription, will you able to watch any movies in Netflix?
Okay. So
Yes or
can
no?
we create our custom subscription? Here it is Visual Studio Enterprise subscription.
Okay, again, your question only. In Netflix, they are providing premium, gold, platinum, and all, right? Can we
Mhm.
customize those subscription? No, right? Whatever they have provided, just own it.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay. So if you go for premium, you can go for what? Ultra
Ultra
UHD?
HD.
Yes,
Mm.
Ultra UHD movies. If you go
Okay.
for
Okay.
basic, generally you will get HD movies only, right? Same guys.
Okay. So everything is dependent on Visual Studio Enterprise subscription then.
Yes, correct.
And the
I have
things.
query.
Yeah.
So
Query
resource
regarding
group is
the
Yeah, go ahead,
Okay.
guys, one by one. Yeah.
Okay. I will go ahead.
Yeah.
Visual Studio Enterprise subscription is if one resource group is deployed in a particular location and other resources are deployed in other locations, then what is the use? I didn't understand that part.
రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ తెలుగే కదా ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే మీ రిసోర్స్లన్నీ ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఇట్ వన్ ప్లేస్, దెన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, మెయింటెనెన్స్, ట్రాకింగ్, హ్యాండ్లింగ్ వెరీ ఈజీ, రైట్? ఓకే, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్ యుఎస్ లో ఉన్నారు, ఇంకో ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్ యూకే లో ఉన్నారు, మీరు ఇండియాలో ఉన్నారు. ద కమ్యూనికేషన్, ట్రాకింగ్, మేనేజ్మెంట్ డిఫికల్ట్, రైట్?
అవును. ఇప్పుడు ఒక రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ అనేది ఫర్ సపోజ్ ముంబైలో ఉందనుకుందాం. దాని తర్వాత రిసోర్సెస్ అనేవి ఎక్కడి నుంచో వేరే దగ్గర నుంచి అన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి మనం ముంబైలో పెడితే మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ పర్టికులర్ రిసోర్స్ ని ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు వేరే రిసోర్స్ ఎక్కడో చెన్నైలోనే ఎక్కడ ఉందనుకుందాం. మనం ఇప్పుడు యాక్సెస్ చేస్తే అది చెన్నైకి వెళ్తుందా లేదంటే అది
చెన్నైకి
ముంబైకి
వెళ్తుంది.
వెళ్తుందా?
ఆబ్వియస్ గా రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ నేమ్ అనేది నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది రిసోర్సెస్. అంటే అన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఆ గ్రూప్ లో పెడుతున్నాం. అంటే రిసోర్స్ అన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఒక గ్రూప్ లో పెడుతున్నాం. అది రిసోర్స్ నేమ్ అంతే.
అంటే
దానికి ఏం
ఓన్లీ
ప్రియారిటీ లేదు.
ఆర్గనైజింగ్ కి.
ఆర్గనైజింగ్ కి అంతే.
ఆహా! ఓకే. 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 అంతే. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఇప్పుడు నెట్వర్కింగ్ అనేవి కొద్దిగా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఏదైనా టాపిక్ ముందు నెట్వర్కింగ్
ఎస్,
కొద్దిగా
ఛాలెంజ్
ఏమని
కాదు.
చెప్పరా?
దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ 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 సెన్సిటివ్ టాపిక్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వాట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ ఓషన్ గైస్. ఓకే,
అంటే
నెట్వర్కింగ్
అదే
Yeah.
మనకు అవసరమైనవి కొద్దిగా మీరు చెప్తున్నప్పుడు నెట్వర్కింగ్ కూడా
చెప్తాను.
కొద్ది
Yes.
టాపిక్స్ కావచ్చండి.
Yes, yes, yes. There is a
Okay.
separate topics for networking. 100% I will cover. Yeah.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Yes.
ఓకే దెన్.
Yes.
బాయ్.
Sekhar, just I have one question. Today only I joined.
Yeah.
Administration ఎన్ని రోజులు అండి? ఇది DevOps ఎన్ని డేస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 45 days?
Yeah, admin is 1 month and the DevOps is another month.
Total 2 months.
60 days.
టెరాఫామ్ మెయిన్ గా నాకు కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్ట్. అది టెరాఫామ్ ఎన్ని డేస్ కవర్ చేస్తారండి?
అది 1 week ఉంటుందండి.
1 week.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, will you be providing any notes, sir? No, because after 1 or 2 weeks, if you want to refresh.
Okay. Yeah, actually whatever I am writing down in the notepad, right? Okay, after class is over, I will paste it in the chart. So you people can copy and paste it somewhere, guys. Okay, maintain OneNote. You know, right? Everyone OneNote. So this is the OneNote.
Yes.
I think most of the people we are using nowadays. This is the OneNote, topic wise copy and paste it. So referring it is very easy. Got it?
Shekhar, can you give us in Google Drive if possible?
I paste it in already. I pasted in the chart, right? So you people just copy and paste it in OneNote, guys. Google Drive link, yes, for the official documentation. I will share the location of Google Drive where you can track for documentation purpose.
Okay.
Okay. But notes, short notes, what I'm typing in the notepad, no, I will paste it in the charts itself. Quickly you can copy and paste it and maintain from your end this OneNote. That would be good. Now everyone we are using OneNote, guys, especially in offices. Okay, for my personal also I am using OneDrive only. Sorry, OneNote itself.
Where can we get the recording?
So that DurgaSoft people, they will upload all the videos into Google Drive link. They will share with you guys that drive link. Okay. So related to that, please contact to DurgaSoft people. They will guide you further. Okay. So please enroll this course. Whoever is interested, maybe they are planning to change the link on all. Go ahead and contact them if you have any further fees related questions or any access related questions. Okay.
Sir, subscription is
Yeah. Any more
mandatory, na?
queries? Yeah. Sorry.
Subscription is mandatory, na? And how it will be charged, na? About
No, for free trial it won't be charged. That's what I said, right? They are providing 15,800. That is validity for 30 days. Within 30 days, whatever the things you are practicing, you need not have to worry. That amount would be debited from free credits itself.
okay.
Yeah. After 30 days, you least bother about it. The account will be deactivated automatically. Okay. For example, Amazon Prime free trial they are providing for 1 month, right? Am I right, guys? After 1 month, are you able to watch the movies? No, right?
No.
Yeah, same thing here. Automatically your account will be deactivated. Nothing can be created, nothing can be accessed in Azure portal. You are safe. You will not be
Okay.
debited even single rupee or single paisa from your bank account or credit card or debit card.
Okay, first time we will means as a subscription on there is no money, then after 30 days it will remove, then after we will debit from my account and then after we can access
Yeah,
to
that's
the.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for your time. Appreciate your time for 1 hour. Okay. Please go through this video. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me in tomorrow's session. I will clarify all your queries. Then we will move forward. Okay. Thanks for your time. Have a great
Sir,
day. Take care.
will you
Bye.
create any WhatsApp group, sir?
Rajit, I will going forward. We will create it after 2 to 3 sessions. If people can take initiate and create, I will be there in the group. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Take care.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah, take care.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bye. Yeah.